Phoenix, contact the Purifiers. I would speak to them. Executor Clolarian, you have awoken during the Firstborn's darkest hour. You have shown us that the Purifiers are a mighty force that could turn the tide of this war. I ask you now to honor your sacred charge as Templar and fight beside your brethren as you did before.
You are no different than the Conclave. Once again, you try to control us.
No. I wish to make amends for our past failures. I have fought battles alongside one of you. Phoenix, the one you are linked with. The Conclave feared your kind, but they are no more. I know you are true Templar. I have seen it. I ask that we stand as one, or none of us shall stand at all.
I will counsel with the others.
They are deliberating.
If we are to follow, we would ask the entity Phoenix to speak for us. There is much about this time we do not yet understand. But as long as you hold to your word, Hierarch, the Purifiers shall join the Firstborn.
Hierarch, I have powered up a new ship subsystem. You can review it in the solar core now.
We have achieved an incredible feat, friend Phoenix.
Phoenix. I have been thinking more upon that name. It is the moniker of another. I do not believe I should use it any longer. I am not he.
Phoenix was the bravest warrior I have ever known. He faced terrible odds and emerged victorious. Slayed enemies the likes of which most cannot even comprehend. And yet, you have proven to be of equal bravery. He would have been honored that a warrior such as you bore his name. And so am I.
Your words honor me, Hierarch. But one day, I must find my own path and my own name.
I have been analyzing the Purifier bodies en masse. Their systems function more effectively when in proximity to each other. Outlying protocols can be offloaded to unoccupied cores.
What does any of that mean, Karax?
Their data web was designed to replicate the sense of the Kala. They are connected to each other.
Interesting.
Yes, however, it is a synthetic representation. There is no emotional wave.
The engineers who built them could not imagine how they could ever be seen as Protoss without the light of the Kala. If only our ancestors could see us now.
May Rashagal light the path to victory. You were bold, Artanis. Sometimes a little too reckless. But it has worked in your favor.
These Purifiers have joined our army, Hierarch. It seems they are willing to serve you. For now.
I answer the call.
The skies open.
Amon's presence within the Kala grows stronger. He is becoming harder to resist.
You risk much for this, Rohana.
He believes all suffering, all conflict, results from the Xel'Naga's infinite cycle. That it must end.
Yes, he has made this clear.
But you see only the surface. Underneath, a silent hatred roils within him. A prideful resentment that would see all worlds burn. The hybrid are the true face of Amon. He wishes not only for the Xel'Naga's creations to be set aside, but for them to suffer.
This errand of yours has been a waste of our time. We should leave for Slain.
The Purifiers will be a useful addition to our forces. I would hardly call this an errand.
Yes, but as we already discussed, you chose to give them freedom, hoping that they will do as you command.
Do not presume to lecture me about my decisions, Tal'Darim.
But I so enjoy our exchanges.
It brings me great joy that the Purifiers have chosen to join the Daylong. But Amon's armies are still a threat. Moebius Corps is overseeing Amon's hybrid production lab. I will not let this continue. We will go to Revanscar and destroy the station before Amon can create more of these abominations.
Hierarch, as ordered, my Dark Templar have tracked Moebius Corps to their base within the asteroid belt of Revanscar.
Well done. Karax, what do you know of their defenses?
The asteroid field is highly volatile and guards the base's outer rim. The Spear of Adun will not be able to pass. However, our carriers could strike at the heart of the facility.
We will set a course at once. Amon has taken away my armies. So shall I take away his. Ready our ships for assault.
Hierarch, Moebius Corps' vessels are not moving into attack position.
Something isn't right.
Our shielding has been punctured. I'm detecting Terran cloak signatures on the lower decks, heading toward the bridge.
Templar, to me! We will not let the Spear of Adun fall! Karax, we cannot let this assault interfere with our plan. Moebius Corps will not expect a counterattack. Though you are not a warrior, you know their defenses better than any other. I entrust this task to you, Facesmith. Lead our carriers against the facility, while my warriors hold here.
As you command, Hierarch.
With our ship boarded, I need our best warriors here. I know you are not trained for battle, Facesmith, but with your tactical expertise, you can destroy this facility. Go now, with my full faith behind you.
The Moebius facility. As we suspected, this is where Amon's hybrid armies are born. The operation is fueled by 3 power cores. Destroying them will destabilize the facility and allow us to annihilate the remaining structure. If I establish our nexus point on the outer edge of the platform, the Templar can fight their way in. but there are no ground paths and few minerals. Fortunately, our carriers are ready now. With their help, I might have a chance.
Victory awaits. Awaiting. You have not enough.
This platform has been locked by Moebius security protocols. They cannot be too difficult to decipher. If I gain access, I should be able to move the platform to areas with additional minerals. Well, at least there's enough resources here to get started.
We are poised for victory.
The shadow spreads.
Justice is served. Agreed. Time for battle. I stand ready. Kasar, date of this warrior awakens. Azul. To victory. You have not enough minerals. Prepared to engage. Listening. Protocols aligned. For Phoenix.
The skies open.
We are ready. Un anak baru. Battle is won. Awaiting. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Time is. I stand ready. Victory awaits. Un anak baru. Prepared to engage. Let us proceed. Carrier has arrived. Victory awaits. To victory. We have met the enemy. We are poised for victory. Awaiting the call. Justice is served. La Azul.
It is done. I have access to the controls. The platform is operational. These navigational controls in the upper right of the command display will allow me to move it toward additional resources. The enemy will not be far, though. I should send some ships to scout ahead before we relocate.
Mineral field depleted. Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Karax, we are having difficulty repelling the hybrid on the Spear of Adun. Have you located their stasis chambers?
My scans show 2 chambers nearby. They appear to run on solarite. We could use it more than ever.
To victory. Mineral field depleted. You have not enough minerals. You have not enough minerals. Justice is served. The battle is won. Zara Kunu. We are ready. Mineral field depleted.
Several banshees approaching our nexus.
Amon has awoken. We sleep no more.
Victory awaits.
Some experiments should never be done.
We are poised for victory. We are ready.
Mineral field depleted.
Let us proceed. Awaiting the call. Justice is served. Listening. For Phoenix.
You require more Vespine gas.
Un anak baru. Na azul. The battle is won. Ulas baru. Carrier has arrived. Agreed. The time is now.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Let us proceed.
Your warriors have engaged the
The power core is destroyed. Moebius Corps energy reserves dropping to 66%.
Excellent work, Phase Smith. Press on.
Anak baru.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Let us proceed. The time is now.
Base is under attack.
The enemy shall be purified.
The skies are
We are ready. Prepared to engage. Agreed. Justice is served. Carrier has arrived. The battle is won. Command me. We have met the enemy. To victory.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
We are ready. We are poised for victory.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy. The enemy.
Un anak baru. Zara Kunur. Let us proceed. The battle is won. Prepare to engage. Agreed. To victory. Justice is served. Nah. Un anak baru. The time is now.
Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted.
The time is now. Prepare to engage.
Mineral field depleted.
Victory awaits. To victory. The battle is won. Justice is served. Prepare to engage. Barrier has arrived. The battle is won. Na Azum. To victory! Victory awaits! Command me! With honor! Ulas Atari! Let us proceed. Justice is served.
The hybrid chambers are gone, and their solarite is ours. That went better than I'd hoped.
We are poised for victory. Let us proceed. Guide my blade. We have met the enemy. Stars aligned. Victory awaits. Agreed. Time is now. Justice is served. I stand, awaiting the call. Zarakunu. Carrier has arrived. We are ready.
I am eager to strike.
Anakbaru. Azum. Speak your demands. For Phoenix. Awaiting the call. Prepare to engage.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Victory.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
In the name of Amon.
No, I will leave that to you.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Justice is served. Carrier has arrived. We wound
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
We are poised for victory.
The platform's power grid is nearly offline, Hierarch. There is only one more core.
Well done, Karax. The attacks on the ship have slowed.
Carrier has arrived. Awaiting the call. Let us proceed. Justice is served. We are ready. We are poised for victory. Agreed.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
The enemy shall be purified.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Ulas Atari. Prepare to engage. Let us proceed.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Carrier has arrived. Listening. Justice is served.
The skies await.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Time is now.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Protocols aligned.
Your warriors is under attack.
Agreed. Zarakunul. To victory. Carrier has arrived. The time is now. Azul. Victory awaits. We are ready. Justice is served. I stand ready. With honor. Un Anakbaru. We are ready.
Your warriors have engaged. Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
We have met the enemy.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Carrier has arrived.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Karax, Moebius Corps battle cruisers are warping away from the Spear of Adun.
Yes, I believe I have found them. It is no matter. We will not be deterred.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
The final power core has been destroyed. We must strike now. Hierarch, is the Spear of Adun secure?
Yes, we repelled the invaders before they could reach the solar core. Our weapon systems are yours to command.
It was my honor to serve. Fire!